Welcome DIKWP, 小工 Abor. Your learning journey starts now. Ever felt like you're playing whack-a-mole with IP infringers? They're faster, smarter, and hiding in plain sight. The old ways? Outdated. We need a new lens, a way to see the whole picture, from the first flicker of data to the final, sneaky intent. That's where our story begins. So, how do we dissect this beast? Meet the DIKWP model. Not just data, information, knowledge, wisdom, purpose, but the 5 stages of an infringement's life cycle. It starts with raw data. Think terabytes of logs from distributed crawlers. Then, we transform that into meaningful information using semantic networks, like BERT whitening to sniff out near-identical text. Next, knowledge layer maps tech features to legal rules, like TRIPS Article 39, making law computable. Wisdom involves game theory, calculating the infringer's payoff U, I equals the sum of P, Y times C, D minus lambda R. Finally, purpose uses LSTM attention to spot premeditated moves, achieving a high AUC score of 0.9191. This isn't just analysis, it's predicting intent. Let's peek under the hood. How do we get from messy data to actionable insight? We use math that actually works. For D to I, we quantify the signal using entropy. H of D to I equals negative sum of P of x sub I times log of P of x sub I times the partial derivative of S with respect to T. This captures the drift in meaning over time. Then, I to K uses a legal ontology, breaking down complex concepts like substantial similarity into 32 measurable tech features. And for W to P, we model the evolutionary game dynamics. The derivative of x with respect to t equals x times 1 minus x times the quantity pi sub I of y minus pi sub c of y. This helps predict when the system shifts towards infringement. The payoff? In patent cases, we hit 91,7% accuracy. Okay, theory is cool, but does it work? Absolutely. Take AI-generated content. We use StyleGAN detection, FID less than 7.3, and saw a 72% drop in complaints after deployment. Or cross-border patents, 59% fewer disputes, and response times slashed by 40%. The numbers speak for themselves. Accuracy at 92.1%, recall at 89.4%, and latency down to just 790 milliseconds. This isn't just incremental improvement, it's a paradigm shift from reactive firefighting to proactive prevention. So, what's next? We're not stopping here. We're building ethical guardrails, embedding fairness and explainability directly into the AI's loss function. L ethics equals alpha E fairness plus beta D explain minus gamma R abuse. We're diving into the metaverse, tracking NFTs with sub-second delays, and creating hybrid governance systems using blockchain for global coordination. The goal? To make infringement prevention so effective, so fast, that it fundamentally changes the game. Thank you.